Friday, March 21st, 2025. We're at Grand Avenue in West Babylon on the Long Island Railroad Central Branch, west of Babylon. It's actually the borderline between Lindenhurst and West Babylon. We're going to be seeing the passing of train 42, which is the express train between Penn Station and Babylon via the Central Branch here, and a local train between Babylon and Speonk on the Montauk Branch. This train runs with dual mode equipment. Tonight's dual mode equipment will be DM30AC 501 the leader, 500 on the rear with 8 cars. Matter of fact, this equipment has been on here for the last week, and this was after equipment issues. This equipment was actually on the Port Jet branch until Monday. It was used as a scoop train. Cut one car off of it. I think it's 7 cars to take the bad car off. And then Tuesday, put it back out. And later on in that evening is train 44. Back Tuesday is train 39, and then they added the 8th car to that consistent, and it's running as train 42. In the evening hours of train 39 since Tuesday. The other dual mode equipment is on the Port Jet branch, DM30AC 509 with 515, 8. Train 660, as a matter of fact, that equipment's out as Port Jeff tonight. And then the second dual mode that goes to Port Jeff is train 664, which runs with 7 cars, the M30AC 504 and 521. We'll also do another dual mode going out to Speonk later, is train 44. It usually runs with 6 cars on that consistent. Usually gets here roughly about 6:10ish or so. Arrival time at Babylon is about 6:15. Time now is 6 o'clock, so it should be here within the next 10 or so minutes, depending on how late it's running. Okay, going to the Long Island Railroad radar. 42 is just east of Beth. Probably going through the South Farmingdale area, so this train's going to get here pretty quickly. I would say within the next 5 or so minutes. So he's definitely early tonight, train 42, no question about it. And it appears that 42 is now blowing for the horns around Wallwood Avenue and Straight Path. Time now is 6:04, so he should be here any second now. Here he comes. Time now is 6:04. east of here. As he hits the Alvin Avenue crossing just to the east of here, he actually prepares for his slowdown. You're watching train 42 want to make the curve onto the Montauk Branch. As he's going up the hill to hit the elevator portion. There he goes.